our environment. Lisa, pick up that wrapper at once. Don't litter the environment.
The environment? What is it, Riya Didi?
Everything we see around us make our environment. Thus, our environment includes living things such as plants and animals, and non-living things such as air, water, soil, heat, and sunlight. The living components include plants, animals, and other living things. These are called the biotic components. Whereas the non-living components such as heat, air, water, and soil are called the abiotic components. Both these components play a very important role in the environment.
Important role?
Yes, Lisa. Both these components are important as they together make life possible on Earth. For example, the heat keeps the Earth warm and keeps the water circulating from land to oceans and back. Air, water, and soil help plants to grow and prepare their food. Not only this, air and water also helps living things breathe and live. Biotic components, such as plants, produce food from sunlight, air, water, and soil, and are also called producers. The animals, on the other hand, depend directly or indirectly on plants for food and are called consumers. Amongst these, the animals that depend directly on plants for food are called herbivores or the primary consumers, and the animals that depend on the herbivores for food are called carnivores or the secondary consumers.
So this means that both the components are dependent on one another?
Yes, Lisa. This kind of dependence is called interdependence. In such interdependence, grass are eaten by herbivores, which in turn are eaten by carnivores. This pattern of eating and being eaten in nature is known as food chain.
Can you please give me an example about the food chain?
Okay, let me tell you about a simple chain, where deer eat grass and are in turn eaten by lions. So here, grass is the producer, deer is the primary consumer, and lion is the secondary consumer. However, nature is more complex than this. For example, grass is not only eaten by deer, but also by rabbits, goat, and zebras. Deer is not only eaten by lions, but by other bigger animals, such as wolves, cheetahs, and tigers. All these types of food chains are interconnected and form a food web.
Wow, Didi, this is so interesting. Now I know so much about our environment. Thank you.